Do you want to poke someone in Facebook? You can poke your friend on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to poke someone in Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Poking someone on Facebook is a feature that allows you to get the attention of your friends or someone in a playful or casual way. When you poke someone, they'll receive a notification that you poked them. To poke someone on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device or on your computer. Once you're in the Facebook newsfeed, tap the search bar at the top. Type pokes in the search bar and tap the search icon from your mobile keyboard to search. At the top of the screen, you will see this type of option. Just tap on pokes. Now Facebook will display you two options, all the pokes you received recently and suggested pokes. If you have received pokes from someone, you are allowed to poke back that friend by tapping the poke back button. And to poke your friends on Facebook, find the friend's name from the suggested list. If you want to poke some specific person, use the search bar at the top of the pokes page to find their name. Once you find the person you want to poke, tap the poke button next to their name. Once you've poked someone, they'll receive a notification informing them that you've poked them. They can choose to poke you back or ignore the poke altogether. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.